How to get the AI manga filter on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to get the AI manga filter on TikTok. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is obviously head over to the TikTok app, and once you're on your For You page, hit on the search button in the top right hand corner of the screen. And next do a search for AI manga filter. And you'll see that this effect is now shown up in the search results. So tap on the camera button next to AI Manga. So once you're here, you can either upload a photo that you've got saved on your camera roll, or you can take a photo of yourself using the camera on your phone. So I'm going to upload a photo, but first I'm going to tap on the AI effects button in the bottom left hand corner. And then I'm just going to select the photo from my camera roll that I want to use. Use this one. As you can see, it's now loading, and it's just converted my face to the AI manga effect. Now, if you want to actually take a video of the process of it converting your face to the manga effect, all you need to do is hold on the record button as it's doing it, and that way it will record the process, and then once it's finished, let go of the record button, and then you can actually save that and share it to your profile. And that's what it takes to get the AI manga filter on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.